Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off a sweet ride at Wheaton Honda.
Oh baby, let's get your heart racing with this 2018 Honda Civic Type R. It's the epitome of a hot hatch. I mean, just look at that thing with its red Honda badges, hood air intake, carbon fiber finish on the front and back lips, 20-inch wheels with Brembo brakes, rear wing spoiler, and triple center chrome exhaust. It's packing some heat with a 2-liter turbocharged engine, good for 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. You're in charge of all that power through a 6-speed manual transmission with rev-match control. There are Comfort, Sport, and Plus R drive modes, along with an adaptive damping suspension. Inside is a slick interior with red suede front sports seats, red and carbon fiber trim, and Type R embroidery on the seats and door sills. You get a backup camera with Honda Lanewatch, dual zone climate control, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and a 542-watt sound system with 12 speakers including a subwoofer. It also comes with keyless entry, push-button start, heated power mirrors, and a winter tire package.
Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also just head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a spin.